Okay, today we are talking about saving seeds from a catnip plant. That is a giant catnip plant here. So all you're going to do is you're going to wait till after it flowers, obviously. See when these flowers, here's the little flowers, and then it leaves behind these. See how these are like open holes? They're almost kind of creepy to look at. Okay, there's a seed in every one of those. So just imagine how many catnip plants I am going to have next year, because there's no way I'm getting all these. Okay, so all you do is you wait till the whole seed head is fairly dry, like this one has no more flowers left on it, and then you'll just cut it off right there. And you'll do that for, see, that one's still green. You don't want that one. I mean, you can, there are seeds in it, but to get all the seeds, one that all the seeds are ready, you want one of these dark gray, these gray ones. You're just going to cut these off and stick them in a paper bag. That's it. Just let them set for a few weeks till they completely dry. Leave them in somewhere warm and dry. After a few weeks, you're going to take your bag and shake it really good to break everything up. And all you need to do are dump them out. And then you just pick away all the dry pieces. And all those little black things will be your seeds and the occasional dried bug. So it's pretty obvious that this is really catnip. Yeah, now you just have to separate out the seeds from the dried flower pods or seed pods. If you do it on a windy day, a lot of times that'll just blow right away. Or you could just blow on it too. So another way to separate these, which is kind of a little bit easier, but I swear I'm going to kill this cat. So you just dump them and shake, and then your seeds will be left behind with much less of the seed pods. And if you want, you can scrunch these up. There's sometimes some in there that didn't come out, and you'll get more. But if you clip a couple dozen flower stems, you should have plenty of seeds. And then these, these are dry at this point, completely dry. So I just usually put them in a little container. And store them. And these are so dry because remember we left them set in the bag for several weeks, or else I would normally keep these in paper for a while longer. And now if you'll excuse me, I have to get rid of my assistant.